Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Atom text editor on Debian 11.3. Atom is a free and open source text and source code editor for a desktop application built using web technologies like macOS, Linux and Microsoft Windows with support for plugins written in JavaScript and embedded Git Control Developed by GitHub. First I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next, install for the Atom text editor. The Atom text editor installed before we have need for the repositories. So first I will add to the sign in key by using wget command. After adding the sign in key, next add the repositories for the Atom text editor. After completing the add the repositories, next update the system repositories by using apt update command. After updating the system, now I am going to install the Atom text editor by using following commands. After installing the Atom text editor, now I am going to search the Atom text editor in your menu bar. So to search the Atom, so you can see this is installed for the Atom text editor. Now I am going to open the Atom text editor. So this is the dashboard page for the Atom text editor. So go to file and create new file. Now you are able to edit the Atom text editor. So with this the process you can follow for the how to install Atom text editor on Debian version 11.3 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.